So, kahapon nga mga idol, ay naganap nga ang naging laban ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa bansang Jordan. Na kung saan nga ay tinalo ng Jordan ang Gilas Pilipinas sa tambak score na 87-62. Of course, pinangunahan pa rin ni Ronday Hollis Jefferson ang Jordan sa kanyang 24 points, 9 assists at 6 rebounds. Sa Gilas Pilipinas naman, of course, Justin Brownlee, 24 points, 3 assists at 2 rebounds. Double-double naman mula kay Scottie Thompson, 11 points at 11 rebounds. So, kung pagbabasihan natin ang scores ng mga players ng ating Gilas Pilipinas, ay 2 players lang ang nakagawa ng double figure. So, ngayon, paano nga ba natalo ang Gilas Pilipinas at umabot pa sa tambakan ang kanilang laban? So, kung titingnan natin ang stats ng dalawang team, ay masyadong mababa ang field goal ng Gilas Pilipinas na may 33%. Kumpara sa 52.5% ng bansang Jordan. Sa 3-point shooting naman ay 4 na tres lang ang pumasok out of 24 attempt ng ating Gilas Pilipinas, habang ang Jordan naman ay naka-8 tira mula sa 3-point area. So doon pa lang talo talaga ang Gilas Pilipinas. Tapos sa rebounds naman ay talo pa rin ang Gilas Pilipinas pagdating sa rebounds, 26 lang kumpara sa 34 rebounds ng bansang Jordan. Eto pa, maganda din ang pasahan ng bola ng Jordan. Nakapagtala sila ng 24 assist kumpara sa 9 assist ng Gilas Pilipinas. Tapos may 4 team blocks at 7 team steals pa ang bansang Jordan. Wala namang problema sa turnovers dahil hindi naman nagkalayo ang turnovers ng Gilas at ng bansang Jordan. So ano nga ba ang nangyari kung bakit ganoon ang nangyari sa ating Gilas Pilipinas? Eto mga idol tulad ng sinabi natin mga idol last video, ay kailangan madepensahan si Sammy Bizay sa 3-point shooting dahil talagang matinik na shooter ang player na ito. Nakapagtala ito ng 3 out of 6 mula sa 3-point area at siya ang third scorer ng bansang Jordan. Habang 3 out of 7 naman mula kay Sadki Salim. Nakapagtala ito ng 17 points at siya ang second scorer ng Jordan kontra sa Gilas Pilipinas. Sa Gilas naman ay talagang inalat ang mga shooters natin. Even si Justin Brownlee ay nakapagtala lamang ng 2 out of 10 mula sa rainbow line. 16% lang ang Gilas Pilipinas sa 3-point area kumpara sa 33% ng bansang Jordan. Mapapansin natin sa laban ng Gilas Pilipinas kahapon mga idol ay medyo nagkahiyaan ang mga shooters. Parang nahihiyang tumira. Kaya ang nangyari, puro mga bata ni Coach Tim ang tumira. Ganito ang nangyari kapag kumuha ka ng mga players na hindi mo talaga kabisado at hindi mo familiar ang galawan. Sa totoo lang kasi ay hindi natin ma-consider na malakas na lineup ang mga players ang Gilas Pilipinas dahil medyo injury prone at may mga edad na ang dinala ni Coach Tim Con doon sa China. Paano ba naman kasi? No choice na kasi etong si Coach Tim Con. Sa Jordan kasi ay sila pa rin kasi ang lineup noong FIBA World Cup kaya mas malakas talaga sila ngayon. Sa Gilas kasi ang daming nawawala lalo na ang mga B-League players. Sunod namang makalaban ng Gilas Pilipinas ang bansang Qatar. Kung sino ang mananalo ay makaharap ang Iran sa quarterfinals. Well, dahil sa unang talo ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Jordan ay marami ng mga nagsilabasan at nagsisihan na ayon sa post na ito na kumparahan kay Brownlee at Clarkson. Well, sa totoo lang mga idol hindi naman natin dapat ipalabas ang ganitong issue. Dahil unang-una, aminado naman tayo na mas malakas talaga si Clarkson kay Brownlee. Ang main issue lang naman talaga dito ay ang availability ng mga players. Tulad noong FIBA, malakas nga si Clarkson pero masyado nang mababa ang panahon na available si Clarkson para sa mga practice. Iwasan po sana natin ang kumparahan lalo na sa mga coaches dahil unang-una magkaibigan naman si Coach Chot at Coach Tim Con. Mga fans lang naman talaga ang naghanap ng gulo. So support lang tayo mga idol. As of now, iwasan natin ang kumparahan kina Coach Chot at Coach Tim Con dahil hindi pa naman hinahawakan ni Coach Tim Con ang Gilas Pilipinas sa world stage kumpara kay Coach Chot Reyes. Support lang tayo mga idol Positive lang muna tayo sa ngayon.
As well that feeling something, so our team was not 100% physically. Oh, look at all that pressure. We were saying, look at the respect that they're giving Justin Brownlee. Justin Brownlee just making mincemeat out of that defense. Just 2 times, Justin Brownlee just attacking the defense. This is that first that he got, getting his first 2 points and the first 2 points for Gilas. Well, that's a, again, well-executed play that time. Good pass by Ibrahim, but Amarsha not able to knock down that 3.
There's Brownlee once again. Count it, basket and 1 there for Justin. All 4 points.
And that's a dig, right? He can see that, you know, outside shots not going in.
Philippines 33%, Jordan 11. Junmar will hit.
He is probably the best 3-point shooter on that team.
Fajardo falling away will hit.
Play within the systems that you want, and you need to be able to give them minutes on the floor.
JB from 16 feet, yes. Actually had a lot of those shots just back rim. Thompson from the outside. Jordan back up by 2. Brownlee, but there is when Ange Kwame can showcase his strength. Brownlee trying to get to his spot. Finally.
10-point lead right now.
JB left open for 3, he hits.
Good for him, he's got to be able to change it up. A step back there for JB.
JB. Oftana with the launch. Galvin has still not found his range, and here comes Japet to the rescue. Release pass, here's Scotty. Wow, up and under move. Stop and play there. This is a tremendous move there from Scotty.
Defensive end, once you make a stop.
Junmar gets it up high with a handoff to CJ. CJ finds his big man, and Junmar hits. On the outside, that's not gonna rim in, but there is Japet once again for the putback. A little bit too strong. No look pass, Scotty gets denied.
Good help defense by Bohannon.
Nasabi ni Scotty.
Will not be denied.
Yes. Look at the rebounds.
In the
11
quarter.
to 1.
That's in the court. Wow. One of the strong points definitely of Gilas.
Long 3, yes! And the lead has been cut down to 3. Shy of his average. Shot clock now down to 6. CJ needs to create, puts up a 3. Bang!
Finally able to knock down that 3.
Now they want to look for Duairi on the other side. Hollis Jefferson is going to lose it there to his teammate over in the PBA. Nice find inside. Chop it inside for 2.
Justin Brownlee, one good fake there for Japet beating his man down.
JB's gonna get away. Up and under move. Ronde. Here's JB to the wing. CJ Perez. Minutes to be played here. JB's gonna get away.
Right now, these guys played the World Cup, right? So very familiar with each other.
Scotty with the floater, it'll drop.
This is that 2-point shot of Scotty Thompson.
Oftana will get away. Nice tap in there by Kwame Gilas. Marshall puts up might be a long 2. Tolentino looking for his shot. Kulang sa English and